Hey guys, good evening everyone. Am I audible to you? Hi everyone. Are you there guys? Come on quickly everyone. Hello. Come on. Please ping in the chat box quickly everyone. Please ping in the chat box quickly everyone. Yes, great my dears. Okay, yesterday because of illness I didn't take session. Today things are okay. Are able to hear properly? Very good. Thank you everyone. Last session we did. Do you remember the things what we did? Yes, pop-up boxes completed. After that one, what we did? Variables, rules. I think today we are going to do some ES6 level rules. Shall I do ES6 level rules? Up to there, all the resources, whichever I discussed with you, all are clear for you. Right. ES6. Using the var keyword was only way to declare a JavaScript variable. JavaScript allows the use of the constant keyword, define a variable that cannot be reassigned, and the let keyword to define a variable with a restricted scope. Hope you need to understand, remaining members. Almost we did 3-4 sessions so far JavaScript. So basics we did already. More than basics, we'll try to observe resources. So JavaScript block scope. What is that? Variables declared with the var keyword cannot have block scope. Variables declared inside a block can be accessed from outside the block. This is very important. So now I'm doing the words one by one practically, all these things. Let me read once again. Things you are understanding, hope everybody perfectly. Please join the meeting, everybody, with a proper name. Proper name is there. We can recognize easily the things here. So understand the resources. Some people joining with some kind of different names. If anybody is there with not there in the proper name in the meeting, I'll remove from the meeting. Please note a point, everybody. Right. So let me enter into subject. So we are doing today let and constant keywords. Yes, let and constant keywords. Where is compulsory keyword or optional keyword? Where is compulsory keyword or optional keyword? It is an optional keyword. Right, optional keyword. So it is not mandatory. What is the meaning of scope? What is the meaning of the scope? Accessibility. The area which can be accessibility. The area which you can able to accessibility. So using the var keyword, see, was the only way to declare JavaScript variable. It is an optional. So ES6 means JavaScript allows the use of the constant keywords to define a variable that cannot be reassigned. Try to understand. And the let keyword to define a variable with a restricted scope. Okay, move to practical environment. Yes. So script area. Yes, this is a script area. Now I'm entering here. I said x is equal to 100. I said var y is equal to 200. And I said document dot write. The result is document dot write. The result is I'm giving, for example, x plus y. So is it what kind of output you are getting? May I know from your side? What result you are expecting? Come on, everyone. What result you are expecting? So is it happening addition or concatenation? Is it happening addition or concatenation? Yes, it is perfect addition. Let's do agree. Right. Now, for example, var keyword here doesn't require. Var is always optional. So var is always optional. Hope you understood that. So if you declare, there is no issue. There is nothing. There is no way to difference. For example, I'm changing for your understanding. Yes, there's nothing. Perfectly, we understood the resources. Now, if you're giving, for example, here concatenation, no changes. Right. So perfectly, you guys understood. There is no issue. Now I'm moving forward little inside. Where x is equal to 100. Now I'm giving the scope there. I'm giving the scope there. Try to understand inside the resources. Now I'm going to say here x plus y. I'm going to say x plus y. What answer you are getting? Yeah. Now within the scope, I'm going to say, for example, 400. Yes, I'm getting perfectly. Now, please correctly concentrate there. Now I'm using inside document.write. The value is the x value is I'm saying x, and I'm giving, for example, here I'm giving example for here. Yes, you're getting 400 and 500. You can understand perfectly. You can. Now the same value I'm giving, for example, here. Yes, you can. How nicely. Scope correctly can observe where how I'm bringing. Clear. Clear, everyone. The where I change it to let here. Where I change it to let here. And you can observe which one is coming, which one is not coming. Hope you understood. So where I'm changing, let I'm changing as where. Yes. Yes. Now I'm changing as let. Hello, everyone. Are you following me? Only inside the block is coming. Outside it is not coming anything. When outside is not coming, when you are using let. If you are using where, what happened? Is it coming? Inside and outside, both? Yes, both are coming now. If you are using let, inside coming, outside coming. Which one is coming? Yeah, only inside coming. Excellent. Only inside coming. So that you are following, I think. So before, I think if you are having idea for note point, I think I wrote already here. Right. So you can read this. You can read this. Before ES 2015, JavaScript did not have block scope. Variables declared with a let keyword can have block scope. Variables declared inside a block cannot be accessed from outside the block. Nice. At least you people clear or not, you can tell me that. Come on, everyone. Right. 100% clear. Now I'm coming to the next level example to you. Is it correct? X cannot be used here. Is it correct? Is it true or false? Yes, true. You cannot be. Cannot be true. Very good. Next. You can use here. Is it possible? Is it possible outside the block? Let x is equal to 5 document dot write. X can be used here. Possible or not possible? No. No. Only inside. Right. Come to redeclaring variables. Do you know what is the meaning of redeclaration? Do you know what is the meaning of redeclaration? Yes. Redeclaring a variable using the var keyword can impose problems. Redeclaring a variable inside a block will also redeclare the variable outside the block. This is really great. Redeclaring a variable using the var keyword can impose problems. Redeclaring a variable inside a block will also redeclare the variable outside the block. So terminologies correctly come to know it. So now I'm going to an example. Correctly you can observe. I'm giving here var x is equal to and after that I'm giving, I open the block here and I closed the block here. Block correctly observed. So let x, and after this I'm going to use this one. So give me time for that one. What you are expecting, what will come. Take your own time and tell me, no problem. What output you are expecting. So this is 400. After this one, this is 500. And out of the block, X is coming or not coming? Out of the block, this X is coming or not coming? Right, and we'll try to observe. So this is here 400 is coming. That is correct. Here Y is equal to, here Y is equal to, I changed the value. Y is equal to, yes, 100 is coming. Then out of the block, document dot write X. X is, for example, where that one? 400. So in this example, any doubt? Hope everybody clear all the things. Y value is only print statements, just you need to change left, right. It's very clear for you. If really this is clear example for you, now here I'm using examples are there already in our tutorial, so no problem, Bharadwaj, don't worry. Constant keyword. Can you tell me this program output? Can you tell me this program output? Logically, you see it, everybody. Logically, try to understand also, everybody. Logically, try to understand. Very good. Only 20 is coming. Correct. Shall I go to JavaScript constant keyword? Shall I go to JavaScript constant keyword? Constant alias name is what? What is the meaning of constant alias name? What is the meaning of constant alias name? Fixed. Very good. Static and fixed. In JavaScript, we can declare constants using constant keyword. Literals we are calling. Very good. Never allowed to change. So variables alias name. Variables alias name. Identifier. Variables idea alias name identifier. Constant alias name literals. Variables always changeable. Constants never changeable. Right. Now I'm going to use the things here where we need to use constant. For example, I'm taking the values here. Simple I said, where X is equal to 100. Constant Y is equal to 200. Then document dot write. The result is, follow me properly. Right, and I'm giving X plus Y Is there any chance x plus y can be able to calculate here? Is there any chance? X is equal to 100, x is equal to 200. Yes, we can. Everybody? Right. If I say, for example, where x is equal to 300, okay, where x is equal to 300, what will come? What output will come now? Yes, 500 is coming. Right. Can I say C1 is constant y is equal to just 5? I said, is it okay? Can I say constant y is equal to 5? Can I do redeclaration? No, no, this is not possible. Understood what is the meaning of constant? Understood, everybody? Constant, we must declare one variable with only one time, where we can declare any number of times. Constant value we cannot be modified. Yes, very good. Constant we cannot be modified. It is impossible. Modification impossible. We are calling is impossible. So you guys need to understand these words in the basic level perfectly. Right. Cannot be changed. See, constant. Can I say this is constant? Invalid declaration. Valid declaration. Observe here. What is a valid declaration? What is an invalid declaration, everybody? Yes, invalid declaration, everything. I'm showing to you one example. What is valid? It is invalid. Are you following, everybody? Can you thumbs up once, everybody, quickly? Thank you. Thank you. Nice. Come on, remind members. Thank you. Mind blowing. Right. Yes. Come on, quickly, everyone. Yeah, some people are perfectly following. Some people are following. Yes. Nice. If you are following this, I'm declaring variables here. Can I print here? Document.rem is my name will come, age will come, and true will come. Correct? All these are possible declaring variables, printing variables. Possible? Right. So declaring constant, okay. But can I do like this? Means you can print, but can I do like this once again? Second time a declaration constant possible? No, it leads error. It leads error. So constant must be only one time. Variable can repeat any number of times. Constant must not repeat. Put in your brain fixed way. That is the fixing. Good. Right, moving forward. I'm entering into block scope. Declaring variable with constant is similar to let when it comes to block scope. The X declared in the block is this example is not the same as X declared outside the block. Super. Hope you guys got the point. What I said, everybody. Shall I move forward, everyone? Block scope. Example ready? Simply. Come on. Where X is equal to 100. Constant X is equal to 20. X is 100. 100. Understood this simple program? I think there is not that much critical thing is not there. Very easy. Don't confuse hereafter what is where, what is let, what is constant. What is where, what is let, what is constant. Thank you, Himanshu. Remaining members. Still any confused? Saturday backup session time I'll show you. If I explain once again, you people get maybe confused. That is the reason I'm not making you people confused. So sure, you people will get perfect answer, no doubt. Very good. So moving to next one, JavaScript data types. Can you tell me, first of all, what is the meaning of data type, anybody? Can you tell me what is the meaning of data type? Quickly. What is the meaning of data type? May I know it from you? What is the meaning of data type? Very good. Type of the data. Data type is nothing but type of the data. That's it. JavaScript provides different types to hold different types of values. JavaScript provides different data types to hold different types of values. Please understand correctly. There are two types of data types. Primitive data types, non-primitive data types. Most important session. JavaScript provides different data types to hold different types of values. How many types of data available in JavaScript? There are the two. One is primitive, another one is non-primitive. What is the meaning of primitive? What is the meaning of non-primitive? So you guys need to understand. JavaScript is dynamically typed programming. Do you know, first of all, what is the meaning of dynamically typed programming? Come on. JavaScript is dynamically typed programming. Do you have any idea? Dynamic meaning? First of all, what is the meaning of static programming? What is the meaning of dynamic programming? What is the meaning of static programming? What is the meaning of dynamic programming? C is static programming, dynamic programming. C is static programming, dynamic programming. Very good. Static programming. Every declaration compulsory. Int, float, char, string, double. Everything declaration is mandatory. Whereas when you come to JavaScript, is variable data type is mandatory or optional in JavaScript? Data type is optional. It is not mandatory. It is not mandatory. It is an optional. Pure optional. Very good. It is a pure optional. Excellent. Perfect. So JavaScript is a dynamic, correct? Dynamic programming, because everything implicitly it is understanding. For example, you said where x is equal to something. So where maybe int, maybe float, maybe char, maybe string, maybe double, whatever it is. It is not the matter what is where. Where is a container which contains a list of data types. So you said simply where. That's it. You said where means where is a container which can hold many things of data values. So where a is equal to and where b is equal to I said holding. So first where is holding in a number, second where is holding a string. So where contains different kinds of data types. Means you do not need to specify type of the variable because it is dynamically used programming. Here only one word will come. Maybe you heard or not. What is that one? Implicit and explicit. Anybody you heard the keywords? Implicit, explicit. Come on. Implicit, explicit. Explicit means what? Externally, you must declare the data type. Best example, C language. Best example is C language. You need to declare externally. 1 second, guys. I'm here, guys. Okay, now you can. For example, C is implicit declaration, explicit declaration, C language. C language is implicit declaration, explicit declaration. Yes, that is great. C is explicit declaration. Every data type externally you guys are providing. You guys are providing. But JavaScript is implicit or explicit? JavaScript is implicit or explicit? Implicit. By default, implicit. Try to understand. It is not mandatory to provide. Implicit. JavaScript is implicit declaration. Implicit means dynamic or static. Implicit means dynamic or static. Implicit means dynamic or static. Very good. Excellent words. Explicit means dynamic or static? Explicit. Explicit means static. Come on, guys. Everyone. Thank you for perfection of understanding. Everybody responding quickly. Happy here. Right. Primitive data types. Shall I start the primitive data types? Come on, guys. If you're giving boost for me, I'll do more things for you. Thank you, finally. Primitive data types. JavaScript has 5 primitive data types. 5 primitive data types. These are the most simple forms of data we can use in JavaScript programming. What are that one? String, number, Boolean, undefined, null. String, number, Boolean, undefined, null. String, representation group of characters. Number, numerical values. Boolean, represents true or false. Undefined, represents undefined value. Null, represents null value. No value at all. Null means no value at all. Guys, clear everyone? Shall I start examples one by one based on these primitive data types now? Right, moving to examples. Thank you. So what is a string? Collection of characters. In JavaScript, string is in double quotation, in single quotation, in both. In JavaScript, string is in double quotation, in single quotation, in both. Which one is correct? Very good. In both. It is in both. Yes. Is it valid? Can I say it is valid? NIT double quotation narration technologies, NIT single quotations, it is valid? Yes, valid. Can I say, is it valid? Can I say, is it valid? Right. Next one, number data type level. You can see here what you are getting. String 1, string 2. And string 1 is you are getting hello. And string 2 is getting hello world. This is hello. And this is world. I think you understood everybody. Single quotation, double quotation, there is no. Number data type. In JavaScript, there is no difference between integers and floats. Observe correctly, everybody. In JavaScript, there is no difference between integers and float values. Integers and float values. Check it, take your own time. Both will be same. Check it once, everybody. Written with decimals, written without decimals also, there is no issue. Right, that is simplified one. Now we'll go to example. Script type is equal to, I'm giving, for example, text or JavaScript. Is this compulsory or optional, this type attribute here? Is it mandatory or optional? It is a pure optional. It is a pure optional. That's it, only one word. Then language is equal to, we are giving. Language is equal to JavaScript, also optional. This is not important. Now I'm writing where x is equal to 100. Now I'm writing comma where y is equal to 200. I said it is not valid here. Every declaration ends with a semicolon. Please understand, everybody. Please understand, everybody. Now only where I said. I hope you're understanding now. Now I made here z is equal to 300. Is it valid declaration? Is it valid declaration? Yes. Valid declaration? Yes. Now I'm giving this one constant. Is it valid declaration? Guys, don't confuse. Confusing is big deal. Don't confuse. Yes, valid. How many variables existed? How many constants existed? Yes, there is a two variables existed and one constant existed. So which one changeable, which is not changeable here? Very good. Variables are changeable. Constant is never changeable. That means x is equal to, I said 300. 300. Y is equal to, I said 600. Okay, you can understand that word. And can I say Z is equal to 900? Can I say Z is equal to 900? No. This word is already clear for you here. That's great. That's great, guys. That's great. I'm showing a small example now. You can try to answer. Let me know the answer. Document.write axis. What value will come axis? Very good. Nice. 10 is coming. Perfect answer. Come on, remaining members. What is coming? 10 is coming. What is the Y value? What is coming here? Yes, float value 20.99 is coming Y value. What is the Z value here? Can you tell me what is the Z value? 30.99 will come, 30 will come. I have a doubt. Yeah, 10 plus 20.99. Yeah, 30.99 will come definitely. 30.99. So then what is the last value? What you provided here? Name is equal to Naresh Technologies. So what will come? Naresh Technologies is leader in IT training. Yes, excellent. All these are variables or any constant? All these are variables. Is there any constant? Very good. All these are variables. Right. Perfect. Okay, we'll do like this. We'll do like this. Just I said where, for example, just I said where G. Can you tell me what is G here? Document dot the value is document dot the value is G. Can you tell me what output will come here? Can you tell me what output will come? Yes, you are going here. Why you got the undefined? Because you didn't declare. Because you didn't declare. Yes. Okay, for example, you made where P is equal to null. Now, then you said the result is, and for example, P. Now, what you are expecting here? Yes, you are expecting null. Is there any difference between undefined and null? Is there any difference between undefined and null? Definitely, there is a big difference, not small difference. Undefined, there is nothing available. Null, there is something available which you are unable to express. Null is a value which you are unable to express. Are you following me? That is really great. That's really great. So total primitive data types, how many available? How many primitive data types? Total, how many types of data in in JavaScript? How many data types in JavaScript? What are the two types? What are the two types? Very good. Primitive and non-primitive. Primitive and non-primitive. Primitive, how many types? Very good. Primitive, 5 types. Can you tell me what are the 5 types? Can you tell me what are the 5 types? String, number, Boolean, undefined, null. String, number, Boolean, undefined, null. String, number, Boolean, undefined, null. Excellent. Any doubt in these 5 primitive data types? Very good. Nice. Good sound. Shall I go to second one, non-primitive data types? Non-primitive data types, alias name you can tell me? Yeah, once you practice, it will be more clear for you, my dears. You will get perfection. Practice makes you perfection. No doubt in that. Practice makes you perfection. No doubt in that. Do that practice. Perfect. Now I'm entering into non-primitive data types, means reference data types. Perfect. Perfect. Reference data type. Declaring variables as objects. When we declare variables, we are using the keyword new keyword. In Java also same. The variable is declared as an object. As an object. So observe your syntax. Var name, string object. Var x, number object. Var y, Boolean object. Understand the words here. What is a string object? What is a number object? What is a Boolean object? So what keyword we are using to declare as a variable? So to declare as object. What keyword we are using to declare as object? Very good. To declare as a variable, what keyword we are using? Var keyword for variable, object for new keyword. So here var is compulsory optional in this area. Var is compulsory optional in this area. Optional, optional, optional. Right. So primitive, non-primitive also clear for you. Non-primitive level I'm showing to you here. Please understand the things more perfectly. Just I'm giving here where, for example, I'm giving name is equal to, I'm giving the keyword new string. New string. It is a what object? Can I say what object it is? Come on, what object it is? String object. Then, for example, I made only x is equal to new. I made number, capital letter where I am writing also you need to observe. This is number object. Then you can see, for example, y is equal to, I have given new. I said, for example, Boolean. So what is a Boolean? This is a Boolean object. 1 second, guys. Right, guys. Hope you understood the things here. So in JavaScript, we are calling some dynamic types. You heard or not, I don't know that. What is dynamic types in JavaScript? Okay, I'm giving to you. Observe first. For example, I said where x is equal to 1. Okay. Somebody disturbing us. Who is he? Where x is equal to 1. Where x is equal to 1.99. And where, for example, I'm x is equal to JavaScript. So here x is what? Here x is what? Here x is what? Number int, number float. Here x is what? String. Here x is what? String. Hope you people are following that. Now I said where x is x, that's it. That's it. Here x is undefined. Here where x is equal to null, I said. Here x is null value. So what is the meaning of dynamic? What is the meaning of dynamic, you can say? Very simple. One variable we are using for different purposes. I see it. This means same variable can be used as different purposes. Everybody clear now? What is the meaning of dynamic? Different purposes. Check it everyone. Perfect. So primitive clear, non-primitive clear, constants clear, let clear, where clear. So many things you are clear. So many things you come to know it, the reality. Please don't disturb the session, my dears, by switch on your cameras. Please involve in the subject. Please support me. Give me chance to work out each and every point more perfectly. Any confused? Any confused so far? No. Excellent. Okay, symbol a little bit advanced level. We can see this is not the right time for the symbol. Now we can see no script. No script. Okay, guys, I'm giving something here. There's a no script tag available here. Imagine my browser is not supporting. Imagine my browser is not supporting JavaScript. Is there any rule every browser must support JavaScript? Is there any rule every browser must support JavaScript? There is no rule here. Some browsers may not be. Some browsers may not be. Some browsers may not be. Maybe, may not be. Please try to understand the words here. Right. Now I'm entering. How can we come to know which browser JavaScript is supporting? How can we know which browser JavaScript not supporting? Very simple. If you're writing the program, coming output on the browser supporting. If not coming, browser is not supporting. Oh, very good. Good example. Okay, we'll see now here. I'm giving, for example, please observe here. Very simple. Now I'm giving document dot write. Hey, I'm scripting part. I'm scripting section. Oh, very good. I'm scripting section. Okay, I'm scripting section. There I'm giving, for example, H1. There I'm giving, for example, H1. Okay, so right. So if this output is coming, then what can I say? Script is supporting. In bodies level, I'm writing no script. So then what can I say? Then what can I say? I can say, hello, my browser not supporting JavaScript. Yes, no script is the tag. You are understanding the words here. Hello, my browser is not supporting JavaScript. For your understanding purpose, I'm writing here a simple thing I'm writing. What that one style is equal to? I said color red. I said, for example, font size. I hope you guys are following me perfectly. If supporting, which part will come? If not supporting, which part will come? You can tell me that. If supporting, which part will come? Yes, H1 part will come. That is, I am writing here also, style is equal to, I am writing color green. Yes, I am writing color green. Supporting or not supporting? Supporting or not supporting green color? Supports. I support or I scripting part. Hey, I support scripting part. Hey, I support scripting section. Right. Okay. Now I'll take some other browsers, for example, which browsers are not there here. Okay. So now where you are running the examples here. Yeah, it is supporting here. Now I'll take this. I want to execute on different browser. For example, yeah, supporting. So supporting green color, if not supporting red color. But both messages, is it possible? Both messages? Both messages, it is possible? No, 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 not possible. No, not possible. How both messages are possible, my dears? Never possible. Think once. How both messages are possible? Either supporting green color will come, not supporting red color will come. I think everybody understood what points I said. That is nice. So by default, 99% everything supports. JavaScript, every web browser supports. Do you know a browser default scripting is? A browser default scripting is JavaScript only. A browser default scripting is JavaScript only. There you don't have any other doubt. There you don't have any other doubt. That is. Yeah. Now with this boosting, we'll go to new topic if everybody permitted. If everybody permitted, I'm going to operators. Shall I? Or yes or no? That is your confirmation required for me. No, 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 no. Yes, no, yes, no. Tomorrow, tomorrow, no. Right. So, democracy. Democracy. So much work, sir, please. Okay, right. Everybody saying no, we'll stop here. So 80% people are there, no. 20% people, yes. Okay, we'll follow democracy. Happily you can join. Happily you can join. Today is a Python new batch. If anybody you interested, you can join. Taste my demo sessions. Right. 1 second. Please practice. Definitely in the backup sessions time, I'll repeat that. You don't worry about anything, my dears. Every doubt, every backup session I'll take, okay? 7 p.m. today. JS is 4th session. Yes. So many components we did today in our session. Thank you, everyone. Like you, everyone. Thank you for your great support. Definitely in upcoming classes, I'll make JavaScript some more perfection. Tomorrow topics are operatives, operands, expressions, complex expressions, simple expressions, like everyone. Today is var. So JS var, comma JS lat, JS constant, data types. There are many available, and no script. Today is a big session. I think everybody you recognized that. I think lot many topics are there in today's session. Correct? Thank you. Like you, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye. Think logically. Think logically in a smart way. Be a healthy software engineer. Bye bye. I'll take Saturday backup session. Don't worry, Rakesh. Go to nareshit.com, Shivanand. Yes, I can, Paras. Thank you. Like everyone, practice. Catch you tomorrow. Do more things. Thank you. Bye, everyone.